99% of YouTubers are just uploading content and praying that they go viral. What if instead there was an AI tool that could predict if your YouTube video would go viral before you ever post? Well, lucky for you, this tool already exists. And right now, a tiny group of creators are using this brand new AI tool to predict virality before they upload, and the results that I got testing this tool are insane. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what this tool is, how it works, and how you could start using it today. It's not the algorithm, it's not your content. What really matters is your packaging, because YouTube is a click-first platform. It's not like TikTok and it's not like Instagram where they're force-feeding your content down people's throats. Your thumbnail and title make a promise to a stranger, and in 0.3 seconds, they're deciding whether or not they want to click on your video and watch it, or if they want to ignore you. And if they do ignore you, it's more likely than not that they'll never see your content again. So you could literally record the best video on the platform. It could be the best YouTube video ever created, but if your thumbnail scores a 24 out of 100, nobody's gonna click, and if they don't click, YouTube is going to ignore your content and they're not gonna show it to anybody else. And the worst part is that creators like you are flying blind. You spend 3 hours fighting with Canva trying to make a thumbnail. You hire a freelancer for $150 and you get ghosted on revision number 7, not to mention it takes days of going back and forth and they probably not working the same hours as you. Or you ask ChatGPT to make a thumbnail for you and it comes out looking like a stranger. You don't even recognize yourself. And on top of that, none of these actually tell you or guarantee that your thumbnail is actually gonna work. And that's where this changes. So that new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Pixels right here. And this is pretty incredible because if we come over here and we click on Analyze, we can actually go through and upload the thumbnail and title that we're going to use on a video that we're going to be uploading. For example, I'm going to upload this thumbnail right here. This is the title that I was thinking about using in the video. Google Gemini's new update changes everything, new document creation feature. Now we can come over here, we can click on Analyze, and this is going to use AI to actually go through and score our thumbnail. And it is going to tell us exactly what is wrong with it, if there is anything wrong with it, give us a score, and this lets us know whether or not this thumbnail could go viral, because again, the packaging means more than anything else. So we can see that this is now going through, this is analyzing, gave us a 51, and if we click here, this will actually tell us everything that's wrong with it in plain English. This goes through and scores it on virality, scores it on clarity, scores it on the idea, curiosity, emotion, and guess what? This scored low, 51. I'm not happy with that. So I'm going to click on one click fix, and this is going to go through automatically, write the prompt to actually fix this thumbnail. And we could see just how in-depth this is. This went through and actually did this automatically. We didn't have to do anything. And now this is going through and this is actually fixing this. And guess what? We don't have to go back and forth with editors. We don't have to do any of that because this is all AI doing this for us. It's going to fix our packaging to increase the odds that we end up going viral on YouTube. And there are so many different ways that you can use this tool. It's not just using it like this, because you could also use it just to create thumbnails, to recreate viral thumbnails, to edit your thumbnails, come up with your titles, and so much more that I'm going to share with you in just a little bit. But I just wanted to give you a pre-warning of that because this tool is incredible for fixing your packaging, predicting whether or not you're going to go viral, and this is a must-have if you want to be competitive on YouTube in 2026. We could see that just like this in seconds. This went through and made us a new thumbnail. And now here's what it actually looked like. It changed my facial expression a little bit, has new Gemini, gave us Gemini into docs, into PDFs. And I gotta be honest, this is absolutely incredible that it was able to do this. And you need to make sure that you're using this whenever you go to upload, because otherwise I would have uploaded this thumbnail right here, which it predicted wouldn't have done very well. And now it remade it into this. Everything's bigger, everything's brighter. In fact, I look better here, and this is a way better way of actually showing off exactly what's going to happen. This is going to increase curiosity, and guess what? We can now click on the score here, and this goes through and gives us new ratings and new reasons for everything, which will allow you to not only have a better thumbnail, but to actually understand, hey, this is what actually makes a thumbnail. We can see right here, our thumbnail is optimized, and we can now keep it as it is. Now, I don't want you to think that you can only use this tool on your next upload, because you could actually go through all of your past videos and use this tool to optimize everything. But first, I wanted to make sure that you start using Pixels as your unfair advantage today. If you want to stop posting and praying and start knowing whether or not your post will perform well before you even upload it, I'd suggest you go to the link below and get started with Pixels today. It's already being used by more than 700,000 creators, including names you absolutely know, like Mark Rober, Preston, Chad Wild Clay, and more. These channels have tens of millions of subscribers, and they've collectively made more than 3.1 million videos and gotten more than 3.7 billion views using this exact system. On top of that, Pixels also backs this with a 10 thumbnail money back guarantee. If you're not satisfied after 10 thumbnails, you get a full refund, so you have zero risk. So what are you waiting for? Go to that pinned comment below and get started with it today. This system is going to completely change how many views you get on YouTube, how much growth you get, and how quick you get monetized. Now you can also use this to edit videos that you've already uploaded that may have flopped and maybe you want to improve them. Because if we come over to this video right here, we could see what the title is right here. YouTube made it easier to grow in 2026. Just fix this. We could see that this is the thumbnail that I have on here and I actually want to improve this. So what I'm actually able to do is I'm able to grab the link to this video, come back over into Pixels. We could come and analyze. And by the way, had I not uploaded the video yet, we could literally just upload the thumbnail here and we could enter the title and we could actually get feedback. Otherwise, we could click on link right here and I could link out to what this video is and then we could enter the title. And what this is actually going to do is this is going to go through and this is going to analyze our thumbnail and give us a score. And this isn't just some random score. This is based on billions of videos on YouTube that are getting clicks and whether or not how to improve them. So we could see that this is going through. This is analyzing this right now. And this now went through and graded this. And if we actually click on this, we could see everything that's wrong with it. Virality right here. This goes through. This thumbnail is a perfect execution of a highly saturated niche. And it goes through and actually shows what is wrong here. And what we could see here is that there's not really a curiosity gap and it looks like thousands of other videos, which is going to lower its shareability. We could see clarity scored pretty high on that. Idea didn't score that great on that. Again, we could come in here and actually see what's wrong. We could see what's wrong with the curiosity and we could see what's wrong with the emotion. And then from here, we're actually able to click on one click fix. And this is automatically going to generate a new prompt, use our thumbnail and actually create us a better thumbnail with a higher score, which is going to increase the odds that we end up getting more clicks. Because if you ever create a thumbnail or you upload something here and it doesn't have a really high score, that's a sign that your video isn't going to do well. And it's basically predicting that your video is going to perform poorly. And just like that, this went through and actually fixed my thumbnail. And we could see that this actually looks a lot better. And if we wanted to, we could actually compare them right here. So we could see right here exactly what it looks like. And we're actually able to move this. And I actually like this picture of me way better because it looks incredibly natural. It still looks like me. My viewers are going to know that. And it made me face head on. And it kind of made me look like, stop, you need to watch this. And then if we look at this over here, we could see that the graph just looks a lot better. Turn on easy mode looks better. It looks like something that you're just going to click. And I actually like this thumbnail a lot better. And as we could see, it also scored a lot higher. And what's great about this, again, it literally tells you in plain English what you need to fix. And you don't even have to go and fix it because this tool fixes it for you. Oh, and I did want to show you another feature that Pixels has that I really love. For example, let's say that we found this viral video right here and we actually wanted to recreate this thumbnail. We could simply just come over here, grab the link to this video, and then we could simply come back over to Pixels right here, click on link. We could link out to this video right here, and then we could describe what we want to add, what we want to change, and I can actually come over here and add a picture of myself and get this to face swap. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to choose one of my headshots right here, and I'm going to tell this to face swap this. So I'm going to say face swap me into this thumbnail and don't change anything else. I'm going to click on generate, and this is now going to go through, and this is going to allow me to recreate this thumbnail that helped another creator in my niche go viral, and it's going to actually make me two of them because I had generate two on, and all we had to do was choose the link to that original video, add in a headshot that we like. Now this is going through, and this is actually creating this. Now I want you to think about this. This creator probably spent hours going back and forth trying to create this, or maybe they used AI to create it, but they were the one that had to actually do all the hard work, come up with the idea. And what I'm doing is coming in here and I'm going to throw my face on it using AI. And this is going to keep the lighting the same. It's going to keep everything else the same. And this is going to help me create an incredible thumbnail that has helped somebody else go viral. And guess what? I'm able to do it literally in seconds. It's going to keep the same lighting, keep the same emotion, and it's just going to drop me into their viral thumbnail so that I can increase the odds that I go viral on YouTube too. And now just like that, we have one of them that's done. It went through and added this right here. Looks incredible. And then we also have another one right here. And we could see that because of the prompt that I used, they're very similar. I actually like the one on the left right here because I'm a lot bigger and I think that it's a lot better. So we could click on this. And then the other thing that we could also do is this actually says, hey, the viral score might be low on this. We could click into it, find out why, click on one click fix, and this will literally go through and fix this for us. Now, on top of just fixing your thumbnails, Pixels can also help you fix your titles. Now doing that's incredibly easy, and I actually want to show you two methods to be able to do it. So what you're going to do is you're on Pixels right here. You're going to see title right here over on the right hand side, and you're going to type in a prompt like this. Write me a title for a video about how to make Google Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT 10 times smarter. The video has new settings and features my viewers should use. We're going to click on generate right here, and then what this is going to do is go through and generate us 3 different titles. We could see right here where we could actually choose how many this is going to go through and create. Personally, I like to go with 3. If I don't like any of the 3, I then go up to 6 or 9. But this right here is incredible because what this is doing is actually generating ideas based on YouTube's click patterns and CTR patterns in order to deliver you titles that are actually going to help you get clicks. For example, make ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini 10 times smarter. New settings make AI chatbots 10 times smarter. Hidden features upgrade ChatGPT and Claude. And then what we're actually able to do with each of these is we could generate a thumbnail based on these. We could reuse it inside of the prompt, or we could copy it. Personally, I like this first one the best. So what I'm going to do is click on generate thumbnails right here. We could see that directly from here, I can now generate my thumbnail, and I could come in, I could add in a persona, I could add in a style, I could choose how many it's going to make. I personally don't want a persona or style in here, so I'm going to click on generate. Now this is going to go through and make my thumbnail for me. And again, this is the strategy and the system that you want to be using if you want to increase your click-through rate, because not only is it going to be generating the title, it's also generating the thumbnail, and it's actually creating those two things in conjunction, and it literally does it in seconds. And what I also love about this is actually going through and this is generating multiple different variations, which again, in the past would have been a ton of back and forth, would have had to pay extra for that. But now AI is actually able to go through and does all of this for us. And look at how quickly it goes through and generates it. It's no waiting for an editor. And if we wanted to edit anything, we could literally edit it right inside of here in seconds. And now just like that, this is done. We have on the right hand side, one of our thumbnails right here. It's now going through and analyzing. And on the left hand side, it's going through another one right here. Now, I personally like this one on the left hand side the best, but I want to see what the scores look like. And we could see this has a solid score, better than the other one. So what I'm actually able to do is we could click in here and we could click on one click fix if we wanted to, where this will now actually go through and increase the score here. And we could see that this wrote out the exact prompt that should be used. Now it's going through and it's editing it really fast. And now just like that, it's almost done here, and we're going to have our upgraded thumbnail, which should give us a better score. And this is probably going to end up being the thumbnail that we're going to end up going with for this exact video right here. And yep, this thumbnail looks a lot better. In fact, this looks perfect right here. Again, if I still wanted to edit it, I could click on edit right here and I could edit it any other way. But I think that this thumbnail is awesome. We have a great score here. I'm going to download this and actually use this as the thumbnail for this video. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn exactly how the YouTube algorithm works right now so that you can increase your views, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through exactly how the algorithm works and how you could take advantage of it. I'll see you over there.